Hello there! Are you looking for the best method to unlock FRP on your Nokia 2.1? Then follow my steps. First, power off your device. And press power and volume down button. Now connect your phone to PC in fast boot mode. Now open your Phoenix service tool and go to Nokia tab. And now you click Read Info to get more details of the connected phone. Then you click on Reset FRP. And wait till the FRP removal process is done successfully. After the FRP removal is successfully done, reboot your phone and skip the setup screen. If you have any problem or question, don't forget to comment below, or you can contact me with my number in the description below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more amazing content like this.